Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting trading session. I'm glad to have you here once again. In today's video, I'll be using one of my all-time favorite indicators, Fractal Chaos Bands. This powerful tool helps us identify market trends and price movements with more clarity, making it a valuable addition to our trading strategy. As you can see, I've already added the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator to my chart. Throughout this session, I'll walk you through how I use it to spot potential trade opportunities, interpret market conditions, and make informed decisions. If you take a look at the chart, you'll notice two distinct lines, one in red and one in green. These represent the upper and lower fractal chaos bands. The red line at the top is the upper band, which acts as a resistance level, while the green line at the bottom is the lower band, which serves as a support level. Now, an interesting thing to observe is the distance between these two bands. When the bands are far apart, it indicates increased market volatility, meaning price movements are stronger and more unpredictable. On the other hand, when the bands are very close together, it suggests low volatility, meaning the market is consolidating and price movements are relatively stable. By understanding how these bands expand and contract, we can get valuable insights into market conditions and potential breakout opportunities. I'll be explaining more about how to use this in real trades, so stay tuned. Now, to enhance our analysis, I'm going to add another powerful indicator, the exponential moving average EMA. This will help us better understand price trends and dynamic support and resistance levels. First, I'll add the EMA indicator and adjust its settings. I'll change the length to 20 and set the source to high so that it tracks the highest prices. Next, I'll duplicate this EMA and paste it onto the chart. But this time, I'll change the source to low while keeping the length the same at 20. To make things visually clear, I'll now customize the colors. I'll set the 20 EMA high to green and slightly increase its thickness to make it stand out. Similarly, I'll set the 20 EMA low to red and also increase its thickness for better visibility. Now, if you're wondering about the Fractal Chaos Band settings, I made a small tweak. I changed the pattern setting from 1 to 2. That's it. My setup is now complete and ready for action. Let's move forward and see how we can use this in live trading. I've previously made a dedicated video on the 20 EMA high and low, where I explained its significance in detail. If you're new to this channel or haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend checking it out. It will give you a better understanding of how these EMAs work and how they can be effectively used in trading. Now let's talk about the strategy. It's very simple and easy to follow. Here's how it works. Whenever the price closes below the 20 EMA low red line, it generates a sell signal. This indicates that the price is breaking downward momentum, giving us an opportunity for a short trade. To exit the trade, we look for key support levels. You can close the trade near the support line, green line, or when the price closes above the lower fractal chaos band. By following this approach, we can maximize our entries and exits efficiently while keeping risk under control. In this case, we can see that the price has closed below the 20 EMA low red line, which gives us a clear sell signal. This means that the price is showing downward momentum and we have an opportunity to enter a short trade. Now, when it comes to exiting the trade, there are two key levels to watch. One, the support line, green line. If the price approaches or touches this level, it's a good place to take profits, as support zones often act as reversal points. Two, the lower fractal chaos band. If the price closes above this band, it could indicate a potential reversal, making it another exit opportunity. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that when the fractal chaos bands are very close together, it indicates low volatility. This means that the market is in a consolidation phase where price movements are relatively stable and not making any significant moves in either direction. Now, here's where things get exciting. Whenever the fractal bands are close to each other, it signals that the market is building up energy. This phase often leads to a strong breakout, giving us a chance to capture big profits if we position ourselves correctly. At this point, all we need to do is wait and watch to see which direction the market chooses to move. Now, look at what's happening here. The price has crossed above the upper fractal chaos band, which previously acted as resistance. At the same time, the price has also closed above the 20 EMA high, green line. This combination gives us a strong buy signal, indicating that momentum is shifting upward. This is a perfect opportunity to enter a long trade and ride the trend for a big profit. This is how we use market structure and indicator confirmation to make smart, well-timed trades. But unfortunately, I missed this great opportunity to enter earlier. However, that's okay, because in trading, there's always another chance if we stay patient and follow our strategy. As long as the price continues to move above the 20 EMA, the market remains in an uptrend, meaning there's still potential for more upward movement. So instead of rushing in, I decided to wait for another breakout, a more confirmed entry point. And here it is. The price has now closed above the 20 EMA high, green line, and at the same time, it has crossed the upper fractal chaos, which was acting as resistance. This is exactly the kind of confirmation I was waiting for. It signals that the market is gaining strength and is likely to continue moving higher. So this is the right time to enter the trade, and I'm taking a buy position right here. Now, let's see how the trade plays out. Take a look at this. The price is moving exactly as I had analyzed. It's always a great feeling when our technical analysis plays out just as expected. However, I have to admit, I'm feeling a little disappointed because I couldn't enter the trade earlier. If I had managed to take a position at this earlier breakout point, I could have easily captured 280 points, which would have been a fantastic trade. But that's part of the game. We can't catch every opportunity, and sometimes we miss out on the best entries. What's important is sticking to the plan and not chasing the market. That being said, it's not over yet. I'm still in this trade, and I'm excited to see how much we can profit from this setup. So let's stay patient and watch how it unfolds. Now, let's go back and review some more examples to reinforce this strategy and see how well it works in different scenarios. Here we can see that the price has closed above the 20 EMA high, green line, and has also broken above the upper fractal chaos band, which was acting as resistance. This confirms a buy signal, indicating that the market has gained bullish momentum. Once we enter the trade, the strategy is simple. Ride the trend as long as the price stays above the 20 EMA high. Exit the trade when the price closes below the 20 EMA high line, signaling a potential reversal or weakening momentum. Now let's check out one more example to solidify this concept. Look at this setup. Once again, we can see that the price has closed above the 20 EMA and has also broken above the upper fractal chaos band. This confirms another buy signal, giving us another chance to enter a long position. For exiting the trade, we have two key options. 1. Close the trade when the price crosses the fractal slope, which can indicate a shift in market direction. 2. Close the trade at the upper fractal band level, as this often acts as a resistance zone, where price might struggle to move further up. Let's take a look at this sell signal right here. The price has closed below the 20 EMA low, red line, which confirms a short trade opportunity. This means that the market is showing bearish momentum, and we can take advantage of this downward move. For trade management, stay in the trade as long as the price remains below the 20 EMA low, allowing the trend to continue in our favor. Exit the trade when the price moves back above the 20 EMA low, as this could indicate a potential reversal. This setup is perfect for scalpers as it provides quick, precise entries and exits without holding positions for too long. Final example. Now let's look at one more example to understand the buy setup. Here we see that the price has closed above the 20 EMA high, green line, and has also broken above the upper fractal chaos band. This confirms a buy signal. For managing the trade, stay in the trade as long as the price remains above the 20 EMA high, letting the trend continue in our favor. Exit the trade when the price reaches the upper fractal band, which often acts as a resistance level. For those who prefer quick scalps, here's another approach. Enter a buy position when the price closes above the 20 EMA high and breaks the upper fractal band. Exit the trade when the price crosses the fractal slope, which can indicate a potential slowdown or reversal. This strategy works great for both trend traders and scalpers, allowing you to capture profits efficiently based on your trading style. All right, now let's shift our focus back to the current trade and see how it's progressing. At the moment, my profit stands at $1,700, which is a great return on this setup. But as we know, trading is not just about entering at the right time. It's equally important to have a solid exit plan to lock in those profits. I've already planned my exit strategy. I will close my position whenever a slope forms and the price crosses it. This helps me protect my profit and ensures I don't hold on to the trade longer than necessary. And here it is. The slope has formed and the price has crossed it, signaling that it's time to exit the trade. I'm booking my profits here. If you plan your trades properly, follow the right strategy, and stick to your rules, you can capture massive moves in the market. In this trade alone, I was able to secure nearly 500 points, all by using this simple yet highly effective strategy. That's it for today's session. I hope you found this strategy helpful and that it adds value to your trading journey. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies. See you in the next one.